Hi, this is a quick demo of the new wireframe workflow that we just added to the End Human platform. As always, you find your templates and workflows on the workflows. If you're looking for a new one, it's always best to look under the All Templates section where you find all the templates. This one is also under production. We click on plus and give it a name. Let's call it Coffee Shop Wireframe. And then we jump right in. The two required fields, a short prompt, and then there are two different formats, HTML and SVG. Nice thing about the HTML is it's all inline code. You can just download it and drag and drop into a browser or share it. Nice thing about the SVG is it's you can also download it and then drag and drop it into any of your Figma projects, and it's fully editable. All right, let's do a quick one, HTML, and let's call this a coffee brand with shop. Let's say 8 products and map for locations. And we'll send it to the agent. Now, this will take anywhere between 40 seconds and a minute and a half, and it really depends on the AI agent, whether it decides to go online and search for stuff it needs, latest best practice, or whether it takes all the information it needs to build this from its repository. So we'll just wait for a sec. And here we go. Here it is. Hooray. You see the little preview here, but I prefer to go under files and see this size here, or even the full screen. So you can see it created a word mark, a little logo placeholder, nav bar, a hero section, then the 8 products shop section that were requested, and also the map that we requested with the locations. So this is great. You can download it here, share it, or you can create an SVG and edit it in Figma. That was a quick walkthrough. Hope you liked it. See you around next time. Bye.